guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a small unboxing. It's nothing major. I just have 3 packages, but one's pretty big. I was waiting. Actually, I've had these boxes here for about 4 or 5 days now because I was waiting for more to come in, because I literally have, let me just check for you guys, okay? I have 5 more packages on the way. But if you guys live in North Carolina, you know that Hurricane Florence arrived Friday. I don't know, I feel like that has caused like a bunch of like shipping delays and stuff. So I think that I'm just gonna go ahead and get it done with now, and then maybe do a haul with some of the stuff that's supposed to be coming later. Just because I want to get this video up for you guys, because I know that stuff might take a while to get here, and I don't know, I just thought this would be fun to do a short little unboxing. I've done unboxing hauls before and you guys seem to like them, so here it is. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday, and let's go ahead and get started. So let me just show you the boxes. I have a Boxycharm. I have a subscription to Boxycharm. I've had it for like over a year now. I really like it. And then I have a box from Ulta. And then I also have a huge FabFitFun box. This is my second FabFitFun box that I have received from them. Alright, so the first thing that I got from Ulta is this Purity face mask by Philosophy, and this is the pore extractor mask, and I heard really good things about it. I heard it just literally takes all the gunk out of your pores, and I don't know, I heard really good things about it, and this was 50% off on their 21 Days of Beauty. So I've been wanting it for a while, but it is very expensive. Well, not very expensive. It's like almost $40 for a face mask, and I don't know, I just thought that I would wait and get it on sale. So I was super happy to get it for like $17. And yeah, so it's an exfoliating clay mask, and I don't know, I'm excited to try it. I'll keep you guys updated on how I like it. So then there's 3 things left in this box. So the first thing is the new It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. This, I don't know, guys, please let me know. This has been out for a while, right? Maybe they just like redesigned and like added some ingredients or added some different things to it. But please tell me that this has been out for a while, because I know I've seen it before. But I think this is their new one because it said new on Ulta's website. And I got the shade Light Nude. So I'm excited to try out this. I know it doesn't have like a little brush. You have to like apply it with your finger, but I'm excited to try it. The rest of the stuff that I'm showing you wasn't part of their 21 days. I just got it. I had points to use. So the next thing that I got is the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. This was only like $5 or $6, and I just needed like a yellow powder to go under my eyes, just to like brighten up a little bit when I want like a really bright under eye, you know? Or just like in the center of my face. I don't know, I thought I'd try it. It was only like $5. I've heard good things about this. And then the last thing I got is another Morphe Highlight and Contour Sponge. You guys know how I feel about this sponge. I freaking love it. Next, we are going to do Boxycharm. I have no idea what's in this month's box. So, okay. So when you open it, it looks like that. It comes with a little thing. And, oh gosh. Okay. Ooh, this is really pretty. The first thing is this Laura Geller blush. Ooh, that is so pretty. Fun fact, when I first started playing with makeup, my mom got like some Laura Geller, and she didn't want, like, it was like a blush and then like an eyeshadow like palette that was like around like this, and so she gave that to me, and a bronzer. And so like literally I've had it for ever since 6th grade, and I just threw that away like last year just because it was pretty old and I had used it a lot. And pretty sure you should like replace makeup more often than that. But I loved the Laura Geller blush, and this reminds me so much of it. Wow, I'm really excited for this. The next thing is this eyeshadow brush trio. It's by the brand Alamar Cosmetics. If you are a Boxycharmer, or if you have a membership to them, you know that we got an Alamar like eyeshadow palette like last month, I want to say. But I haven't tried it. Maybe I should try it. But yeah, I have so many brushes, but you can never have too many brushes. And then the next thing is this Hank and Henry lipstick. Why is it not letting me open it? Oh, that's weird. Oh, okay. Guys, are you seeing this? Look, it looks like a lipstick and you look like you like pull the top up, but it's like a liquid lipstick. That's actually kind of cool. But yeah, it's just in the shade. I'm not gonna swatch it. But okay. And then the next thing is this Nightingale by Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. And I think I saw this on their Instagram, but I really like the cool tone shadows in that. I think cool tone looks good on me. Warm tone doesn't look the best on me, so I think cool tone looks good. I don't know. But these are some really, really pretty colors. And then the last thing in the box this month is this Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. I don't use liner that much. Wow, that's really weird. It's like a little... Do you guys see that? The shape of that? It's really weird. I don't know. Oh yeah, and the theme, if you guys were wondering, is Wildflower. Okay, now on to the one that I'm most excited for. FabFitFun. This is their fall box, and FabFitFun comes every season, whereas BoxyCharm comes every month. So, let's get started. That's what the box looks like. All right, so first, of course, you get the magazine that always comes with it. So this month we get a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. So the first thing that I'm seeing is this Skin & Company Blue and Capri shower gel. You can put this in the bath or you can use this as a shower gel. I've never heard of this brand before, but that's cool. Then we get some Cobra Bluetooth earbuds, and they look like they're like pink and white, and they're wireless. That's super cool. I use AirPods, but that's really cool. Then we get a Luna Rica protein bar. Ooh, a beauty blender, and this one's like pinky. It's like the light pink. I don't have this one, but yeah, that's really cool. And then we get a Pharmacy Do-It-All Total Eye Cream. I don't have any eye creams, so I'm really excited to try this. Pharmacy is a really good brand, so I'm really excited about that. Okay, then we get a Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant. It just looks like that. Then we get 2 Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Face Masks. I'm excited to try this. I love Glam Glow mask, but I've never tried their sheet mask, so that's really cool. And the bubble like masks are very trendy. And then we get a Crown Pro 6-piece brush set. This is really cool. I'm excited about that. We also get, I think this is like a towel you just put like over your like oven or whatever, which I'm getting an apartment in a few months, or in like 2 months. So this will be really cool to like, I don't know, put on the oven, I guess. Then the last thing in this month's box is a French press coffee maker by the brand Alfred. And I'm gonna open this just because, why not? I've really always wanted a French press, but I'm not sure how to use it, but it has instructions on it, so I'm sure I can figure it out. Oh, that's cool. I don't know, that's really cool. Okay, I'm excited about it. All right, guys, that is everything that I got in the mail. Like I said, I do have some more packages coming, so let me know if you guys wanna see a haul or if you wanna see an unboxing haul like part 2. I don't know, let me know what you guys want to see from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was somewhat entertaining watching me open boxes. I don't know, you guys seem to like that, so. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe if you aren't already, and once you do that, click the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to follow me on my social medias. They're always linked in the description box below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys hopefully very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.